Now next topic is the speed of light. So the speed of light we have studied last year also in class 5 and 6 also. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So in vacuum as well as in air, light travels as at a distance of 3 lakh kilometers in 1 second. It means that the speed of light in vacuum or in air will be same. So the value is universal constant. It does not change under any condition. But when the medium is changed, medium like when we have air, water, glass, so all these are kind of mediums. So when light is traveling through these mediums, the speed is getting different because it is facing the obstacles in between. Supposing we are also moving, so if obstacle comes in between, or if we are moving, speed breakers come, so what do we observe? That our speed gets low. So here also where the speed is differing when the medium is changed, like you can see in the chart also 4.2, vacuum or air, the speed will be 3 into 10 to the power meter per second, 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But when we talk about when light is traveling through water, so its speed is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Then in alcohol the speed is quite lower. Then in glass it becomes more less, and in diamond it becomes more less. So these speed values you have to keep it in mind. Now we have the last topic of our chapter, that is constituent color of white light from the sun. So here when light is passing through a glass prism, so glass prism is a triangular glass, as you can see in the figure 4.8. Incident white light is incidenting on a surface of a prism. So what do we observe? As it enters into the glass and then from the glass it comes out, so we can see a spectrum. A spectrum is what? 7 band of color, that is Vibgyor. So now you can see clearly a white light is incidenting on the surface of the glass prism. Now as it enters to the surface it splits, and when it strikes on the other surface it splits and then changes into Vibgyor, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this is what the 7 band of color called spectrum, and it is least bending. So this is also called the dispersion of light. Dispersion means splitting of light. This splitting of light we have seen in rainbow also. Recently a very fine rainbow came, which we have observed and captured in our cameras also. So here you can see a rainbow. So here also in this rainbow a 7 band of color we can see. This type of color dispersion you may have seen when you are washing your hand with the soap and standing in under sun, or when detergent powder is mixed in water, the faina comes over the water surface. So in that faina we have observed, as the bubble is there, on that bubble we have seen this color dispersion, that 7 band of colors, that is Vibgyor. So with this we come to our end of the topic and end of the chapter also. We will be sending question answers through NTAB, and you can ask your questions, doubt questions in the query session. Thank you.